Good King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even.
For December 20, you're actually gonna get a musical clue. How much is that dog in the window?
Woof, woof.
And we have a doggy. Let's see. No, I can't tilt it. Well, you can see it there. So let's open it up. Maybe you want to see that instead of my face. 20, served with grilled meat. I approve. And we have Pohjala. Pohjala. Maybe, something like that. It's by Präänik. Yeah, I love Baltic names or Finnish. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe it's Estonian. It's pretty close to Finnish, of the Finno-Ugric language line, for anyone who is interested. Very dark. Dark, like the hearts of the Estonians. No, just kidding. But not bad at all, actually. A bit of a coffee flavor. I'm not much for dark beers, but if it has to be dark, why not? This one is pretty okay.